हम लोग उसका एक ये मांगेगा, काउंटर एफिडेविट एक मांग लेगा, रिटर्न रिप्लाई ना, जो वरुण बोलता है कि हम लोग उनको ऑर्डर देगा कि एपिलेंट का ये कंटेंशन है, आपने जो हम लोग ने ऑर्डर दिया है आप उसको नहीं मान रहा है, ऐसे कोई पेनल्टी इम्पोज नहीं करेगी. Let us see his reply, which will be really beneficial for you, because the whole process at the end of the day would always be beneficial to you. So anything coming in written form from this site would be good for us and for you also. So we've ordered PIO, who is the Deputy Director of the Rain Management, to furnish a counter reply to the appeal of the appellant to the Commission, where he has given in written that certain informations are not fully given. Therefore, he should come with the written reply on, he should send the written reply before the next hearing, or he can come with the written reply on the date of hearing fixed, which is on the fixed one. Oh, so first October. Oh, yeah. So regarding this, I just want to give an update. Yes. I have gone and met the PIO twice or thrice, but I didn't meet him. But what happened was that on the same day of the hearing, in the evening, he had given me a letter. He had given me a reply. To that, I told him that there are certain changes to be made. That if you could do it, then it would be favorable to you as well as to me. Then I can withdraw my case. Then again, the next day when I came, what happened was that the PIO, I think so, they hired, like appointed a new PIO. Then again, twice or thrice, around 4 times I had gone to the meeting. Again, the same thing happened. Oh, high in everything. Then after that, I didn't get any updates. But again, looking at the time frame, what I did was that again I filed another RTI. उसमें reply अच्छे से मिल गया. Okay. But still, if you could clarify on this issue, क्योंकि अभी तक चल रहा है ना, then इसको भी contribution रखे. And I'll try to get it here before time. वहाँ से भी हम कर लेते हैं. So if the PIO, you have you sent a copy of this to the PIO? So in between the date before the next hearing, if the PIO gives you the full and correct information according to you, not according to you, according to the documents and the information itself. So in that case, you may well inform us in advance so that the PIO also doesn't need to come. No unnecessary waste their time and our time also. But our work is to see that you get the full information as the information there as it is, not in any amended form by any PI. That we will see. For that, we'll need to uh, summon him, give him a notice to appear in the next state of hearing with the written reply. In the order, it will go that the appellant in the meantime has submitted a non-satisfactory reply by the Department of LM, Government of LC, to the State Information Commission. Therefore, a written reply to the allegations of appellant has to be submitted before this court by the PIO on the date of the next hearing fixed, which is on 1st October.
uh, 230 p.m. In the meanwhile, if the PIO provides the full information, as the information is to the appellant before the next date of hearing, this court pronounces that the appellant may, well in advance, report to the commission so that the case can be disposed of on the ground of satisfactorily receipt of information by the appellant as he has acknowledged. So, notice being sent to the PIO and no notice required to be sent to the appellant because he is himself present in the court for the next state of hearing. It's okay, no? They shouldn't be doing like this. There was such case earlier also. We have asked the PIO to be very honest in this reply. That's the same thing. It is with the Namsai, no? So here what you have to say in the Namsai, yes.
This is the practical part. Yes. Second, here given me a try. But again, I had always spoken to him also. I told him, although your most of your reply is fine, but there are many contradictions. For example, this is the reply which he has given me. I told him, I have asked him to give me the proper format, like how RTI, like my queries will be here and his reply will be here. But every time what he does is that he gives this way of reply. And this is another RTI which is after this RTI, this is the second RTI. Same thing he has done. So if हम बार बार बोल रहा है कि you give me the proper format. And there is again more contradiction. एक तरफ में मालिक ये है लिखता है, again अलग तरफ में ये मालिक for the same plot of land. Then again there is one more contradicting thing is on what basis have you given this land occupation certificate? He mentioned as per give deed. That also the give deed has been made 1 year after.
So in your first query number A, he has given yes.
Yes.
Second also he has given yes. Third also third he has
Query.
Yeah.
Actually, to get the real owner time has been query. Last overshoot duty is the real owner of the land. Then again, he also mentioned only duty is the landowner as per gift deed. And again, the gift deed is made in 2023, but the LOC was issued on 2022.
So in that case, there would be another forum where you can go for cross-checking of the text. No, our duty is to see that you get the information, but hearing also he has to come. The PIO has to come. We will ask the regions why there are mismatched answers, no, of the information. In one, he says it belongs to you, and through agreement on such and such day. But then in another information, it says another thing, which is contradictory. So information given to you shouldn't be contradictory. That is your claim, right? And
But the addition, what I'm trying to say, this RTI is not related to this case right now. This is another RTI. But again, I was planning to appeal the second appeal. So this also, I thought if you would come today, I would have verified directly, give me a proper answer instead of coming to the spot. There are a lot of contradictory statements and reports she always gives me.
So let us do one thing. Let us uh, summon the PIOs before you in this court so that I also can interrogate, you also can ask your doubts. No, because it should be clear. So we'll make it that the both PIOs are present in a state of clearness. But as always I say, before that, if you are satisfied with information, you can let us know so that necessary wastage the time on the other. So here also the appellant states before the court that certain information is given to him are mismatched to the information given itself, right? Yeah. Yeah. So it has to be there needs to be a clarification on that, for which the PIO has to attend the hearing to answer the allegation put forwarded by the appellant. So, other appeals by the appellant to this court regarding the way and format of answering needs to be clarified, also needs to be clarified by the PIO, for which he is required to present himself in the court to satisfy the court and to clarify the feeling as to the fact of the information. Veracity, so we cannot ask, but we are here to ask about the facts of the information. Veracity, other police and all, but we do. So we'll fix next same date. We'll fix so that you also be convenient and the other PIO, both the PIO, they have to come. So the next date we fix on 1st October, same time, afternoon. Okay. Fine.
Then,
Yeah.
once from the case, satisfied with the patient,
Yeah.
so that I again read two more articles.
Yes.
They are again giving more information. But one thing I see in the information procurement, they clearly mentioned that third party RTI documents will be issued. So on that, I've been looking right now. Actually, last time I didn't see that. I read their points.
No, they had also sent us the query as well as clarification. I have answered them. That the copy I didn't serve you, but I have answered them that they have to give. They were reluctant to give. Don't know why. But I said that the information don't attract Section 9 of the RTI, so you have to give because uh, you are the first party, the interest party. You have the locus standi to at least give the testimonials, even testimonials of the other co-competitors. That way they might have given. बहुत लंबा चौड़ा वो लोग लिख के एक भेजा था वो लोग का वकील.
Because in last portion that ये candidate book से applicant book से undertaking में ये दिया है कि they can give this
Yes.
document third party and face
देना भी पड़ेगा. They cannot hide it. No, they cannot. They can't. They are a government of India undertaking.
but still अभी तो maximum information दिया था.
Fine, please. Okay.
Sign
Sign कर लें?
कर.
Okay. first, in second hearing, right? So he will not come. Hmm. So he will go on what the functions and then the regular thing. Again, hearing fixed term. And the second hearing we fixed on 1st October 2024. We will draw section 25 against that PIO. So that he attends the hearing. Because it's the second appeal, the second hearing is accepted without any information to the commission. So all other cases are before. Yes. It was so quick. Order हम लोग बनाते हैं